Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video, y'all. Y'all already know I love milk. Milk is bae, okay? And I feel like I've been using this primer so much, but it's not going nowhere. So I guess it was worth the $60. I'm gonna go in with a few pumps of that. I've already used my sunscreen on my skin, y'all. So y'all already know I use the Black Girl sunscreen. I got it from Target. So now I'm just going in with my primer. And I use also vitamin E oil. Y'all think we're finna be back on quarantine again? Or back in quarantine again? What are y'all thoughts? Do y'all think we're finna be back on lockdown or not? I'm gonna have to do club living room again. I'm gonna have to do club living room for y'all and record it because I be turned in club living room. And club living room is my living room. I be turned. I have a little lights on. I'll be playing pool. I'll be taking 20, 40 shots. Shot, please, one shot. That's enough for me. But I be having a little good old time. And I'm going in with my Essence Super Last eyebrow little brush. And this is just to, you know, follow my natural brows. And yes, I do have that gel. I put that gel on my brows before I even start to do them. Because like I said before, that gets everything together. Like, they're not going nowhere. And that thing is like, I think it was like $3 at Walgreens or something like that. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna let our face, dry, let the primer dry. We're gonna go in with some foundation. And this is the Color Perfect, and this is the liquid makeup. So this is the one like this. And this is what I use, like I said, when I'm doing more of a natural look. I feel like this one is perfect. I don't have to do much with this. And I will be using a brush today. Yeah, I just feel like this foundation blends in so well with my skin complexion. What color is this? The little sticker done faded, so I don't even remember what color this is, but I'll try to go back. And it's definitely in one of my other videos. Like, look at that. It's like I'm not even wearing makeup, y'all. And that's what I like to give when I'm wearing my natural hair. I don't like to be looking too much made up because I feel like it's a natural hair. You want to give a natural tease, a soft look, you know? And the only reason that I'm wearing makeup is because I want my skin to be all even. A lot of women are two-tone colors, you know, just like me. I'm like more darker on my forehead and more lighter down here. So I wear the makeup for those purposes, you know? And I'm going in with an oldie but a goodie. Y'all know that LA Pro girl, how that be hitting. So I'm doing everything today with this brush just to see. I wanted to always know like how my makeup looks with the brush versus what I normally use, which is the Beauty Blender. So today I'm just using the brush for everything. Thank you to all of my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I love y'all. Just thank you for rocking with your girl. New subscribers, go watch some of my old videos so you can see the growth. I feel like you'll be able to be like, oh my God, look where she came from. Like, barely not even using foundation, don't even know. Barely not even know how to use eyeshadow, but now I do. If I could do it, you could do it. And that's on what? Mary Had a Little Lamb, period. Like, if I have to, I'm gonna snatch this face. Like, before, girl, I was giving confidence though. I'm gonna always give confidence. But now, sis is giving, I can do it, DIY. Like, I can do it, okay? And if I can do it, like I always say, you could do it because watch my old videos, you'll see sis confidence is on that level, you know what I'm saying? Like, sis. And that's, I feel like you gotta be like confident. Like, don't let nobody tell you, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that. Girl, you could do whatever you put your mind to do. That's a real thing. Like, you could do it. Just try it. Give it a try. Don't knock it until you try it. Straight up. And don't do it just once. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. And I'm hoping that I motivate you to keep doing it. Because I remember when I was doing my makeup, I wanted to give up so many times. I was like, I'm practicing, I'm watching these videos, and I'm not getting better. At the end of the day, you have to do what works for you. And not every foundation, not every primer is gonna work for your skin. Everybody's skin is different. So that's when trial and error comes in. Like, you just gotta try. Be willing to try. Be open-minded. Like, you take what people telling you, take the good, leave the bad. Okay, so I am just putting a little concealer underneath my eye. But this is the L'Oreal in the color 405 Toffee. And I'm just cleaning up my brows a little bit. I go over it twice at least. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend in this concealer underneath my eye. And see, this is the under light I like under my eyes. Like, I kind of really like that look because I feel like it makes my eyes pop a little more. So I am gonna go in with a throwback. I got my Juvia's palette. I haven't used this palette in a minute. This is how the colors look. I'm gonna go in with the silver because I'm wearing gray. So I'm gonna go in with the silver color as the base. I'm using like this color right here to start off, and I'm gonna use this dark, I'm gonna use this dark color on the end, and I feel like that's gonna be cute. Yeah, I want to try some new MAC brushes, but I'm like, is it even worth the hype? Because I went to MAC and it was a lady in there and she was like, girl, you could buy your brushes at Sephora. And I was like, She's like, these brushes are expensive. I'm like, is she saying that? I don't know. But I was just like, is Sephora brushes same quality as MAC or not? That's what I need to know. Now this is the dark gray. And I want this corner to be dark, so that's why I'm kind of brushing like this. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. That's cute. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go in with another brush, and there's a brown color in here. I've never used it before. I don't know, maybe that's not brown. It's like coralish brown. I'm gonna go in with that color. Just so you know, my brows is here and we're separating it from this right here. I'm debating if I want to use one of these little silvers. I kind of do. I've never used this one before, so I think I'm going to go in with this silver. And just like put a little bit on there, not much. Oh, that's cute. It's kind of giving me Snow Princess vibes. Okay, let's go. Bake the face. Okay, so I got a little bit of contour I'm about to put on my nose. Literally not nothing crazy. I feel like when you're doing contour, you be in like the most awkward positions. Like you be like, just trying to get it right, like it's like serious. So that is all for the contouring. Now I'm gonna bake, and I am using my little dollar store sponges to bake. So while that is going down, melting in my skin, I am gonna go ahead. I'm using just a regular little lip gloss today. Nothing crazy. Like I said, I'm using this NARS. this is just kind of like a hydrating lip gloss. Like it's nothing crazy. And it's like a pinkish, natural reddish color. I don't know. It looks like this. But I just like the way it looks on top of the darkness of my lips, I guess. I'm gonna go in with these little Kiss lashes, and I'm using my dual glue. I always feel like the lashes tie these looks together. I feel like, look at that, that's looking like Sasha Fierce over here. Like, these lashes is giving. And this is the Sorry brand or lash. They cute. It's giving cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take all of this setting powder off my face, brush it off. Yeah, I gotta go. I'm supposed to be gone. I gotta go to lunch. I'm gonna eat me some good food. Y'all know I love to eat. But I love to beat my face first. Okay? But I am going to eat though. Like, I'm starving. I had a little light avocado toast this morning. That's like my favorite thing to eat for breakfast. I used 2 avocados, some diced tomatoes. Ooh, it's delicious, y'all. Okay, I think we done. Let me just make sure I'm not forgetting anything. Oh, I am. Look at me. I'm going in with my Revolution bronzer. And this is just really to add more color to your, you know, your face, your forehead, whatever. From the powder that probably was still there. And this is very light. I realize that you have to put a whole lot of this on there to make a difference. So don't just be thinking, oh my gosh, she's putting so much on. No, girl, because you ain't gonna see it. Like, I've been out and I'm like, oh my goodness, I should have used some more of that. Like, god dang. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is how I do my natural makeup when I'm going out. Like I said, this is such a quick look to do, and it's giving very much, look at this, come on. Get into this foundation that's blending so well with my skin. Like, just get into that. And these brows. Get into everything. Just get into it all, because it's giving natural vibes over here, all right? So like always, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And remember to treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.